I think you've been known for having a bold life. अगर मैं चालू करना चाहूँगी, I remember आपने मॉडल किया था for a Kama Sutra ad. And this was the time जहाँ पे इंडिया में AIDS was prevalent, but the idea of condoms or sex or sexuality was a really hard thing. But I think, and you've said in your interviews, right, कि India maybe was not ready for you or the choices you made. What was it like? आपको क्या inspire किया to, speak your truth, to not care about the norms or make those choices when no one else was making those or, taking these decisions?
एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको फैमिली हिस्ट्री देखनी है. Who am I born to? Okay, I'm born to Kabir Bedi and Pratima Bedi. Okay, my father and my mother were leading the flower power movement in India. The whole sex, drugs, rock and roll era, the opening of minds, breaking of rules. That was their generation. And they were at the forefront of it. Number one. Number two, अगर आप उनके lives को देखेंगे, the most unconventional lives. My father's been married 4 times. His current wife is younger than me.
Wow.
Okay, so my mother, okay, never got married again, but lived life on her own terms. Lived life on her own terms, died on her own terms, right? She streaked naked on the beach. I was 5 years old, I think, where she streaked naked on the beach, and people would come up to me and say, बच्चे स्कूल में होते हैं ना, I think I was 6-7 years old. So they said, my mummy said, your mummy is very shocking. So I said, अच्छा. So घर जाके मैंने मम्मी से पूछा, मम्मी, आप इतनी शॉकिंग क्यों हो? मम्मी looked at me, what do you mean shocking? मैंने कहा, आप इतने शॉकिंग क्यों हो? She said, what is shocking? Can you explain? ये शब्द शॉकिंग जो है इसका मतलब क्या है? मैंने कहा, शॉकिंग is shocking. So she said, okay, let me put this in context. There's a woman in Saudi Arabia, full burqa. She cannot show this much of her wrist. She gets lashes flogged for it. She looks at the most conservative Indian woman in a parda who's cooking on the stove, whose hands are showing, and says, that is shocking. Her hands are showing. The woman in the parda says, how am I shocking? मैं तो अपने सब ढंग तरीके से मुंह सब ढक के मैं जी रही हूँ. शॉकिंग वो होती है जो मुंह पर्दा जो ये पर्दा निकाल कर उनका चेहरा दिखाते हैं दुनिया को. शर्म नहीं है इन लोगों को. That woman who's got her hair uncovered said, तो क्या हुआ? एटलीस्ट मैं इंडियन क्लोथ्स पहनती हूँ. शॉकिंग वो लोग होते हैं जो जीन्स पहनते हैं. वो लड़कियाँ जीन्स पहनते हैं. हमारी संस्कृति नहीं है, जीन्स पहनते हैं. लड़की जो जीन्स में घूमती फिरती रहती है वो कहती है, मैं कहाँ शॉकिंग हूँ? शॉकिंग तो वो लड़की है, मैं तो पूरा ढंग से मैंने कपड़े पहने, कुछ वल्गर नहीं है. जो लड़कियां हैं जो मिनी स्कर्ट पहनती है वो शॉकिंग होती है, पूरी टांग वांग दिखा देते हैं. लड़की जो मिनी स्कर्ट में है बोलती है, मैं कहाँ शॉकिंग हूँ? एटलीस्ट मैंने स्कर्ट पैंट सब पहना है, स्कर्ट टॉप पहनी है. शॉकिंग वो है जो बिकिनी पहनते हैं, बस छोटा छोटा कुछ डाल दिया और घूमते रहती है, वो शॉकिंग है. लड़की जो बिकिनी में है कहती है, मैं कहाँ शॉकिंग हूँ? एटलीस्ट मैंने कवर कर लिया अपने प्राइवेट पार्ट्स को. शॉकिंग प्रतिमा बेदी है, उसने तो कुछ भी नहीं पहना. जीसस, अभी आप सोचिए, पूरा सर्कल करके ये वापस मेरे तरफ आया है. अब आप मुझे पूछिए, what is shocking? So I said, okay, Mama, what is shocking? She said, I think that woman in Saudi Arabia who's not allowed to show this much of her wrist and she'll be whipped for it, I think that is shocking. So let's not point fingers at anybody. It all comes a full circle, right? So very important to lose judgment. Stop judging people. Because from where you are, something is wrong, but somebody else is looking at you and thinking you're wrong. So this judgment circle never stops, right? Important thing is to live your life on your terms. It doesn't matter what other people think of you. Another thing my mother taught me, I remember I said, what will people think? लोग क्या सोचेंगे, right? ये बड़ी चीज है, right? लोग क्या सोचेंगे? And she said, who people? I said, Mama, people. She said, oh, Ramu, Shamu, Suresh, Pappu, Ramesh, people? I said, yeah, people. So she looks at me and said, Ma, beta, when was the last time you thought of Mother Teresa or Mahatma Gandhi and said, thank you. Thank you for the sacrifices you've made. Thank you. Your full life you've lived for humanity and service and the nation. When was the last time you spent even one day in gratitude to these people? She said, people do so much good and you don't remember them. Who's going to remember me?
Wow.
Right? So why are we so bothered about what people say? They don't even acknowledge the good. So why are we so bothered about what people will think? It's our life. एक छोटी सी जिंदगी है. जन्म लेते हैं, मर जाते हैं. इन दोनों चीज़ों के दौरान एक छोटा सा सफ़र है जो हम कहते हैं life.
Right.
And all you have to do is enjoy the journey. Enjoy the journey. And all we do is mess it up. Problems, ये क्या होगा, लोग क्या कहेंगे, ये सही है, वो गलत है, etc., etc., etc. So we are complicating our own existence, and the more we point fingers at others, the more we decide कि हमारा एक बॉक्स है, हम बॉक्सेस में रहते हैं. तो जब मैंने कामा सूत्र कैंपेन की, coming back to the point, when I did the Kama Sutra campaign, it was all about opening minds,
Right.
about having that discussion. We have 1.6 billion people in India right now, right? Highly populated country, everyone's having sex, but no one's talking about it. No one is open to having these discussions. And sexuality is one of the most important functions for human beings to procreate, right? And it should be about fun and pleasure as well. It shouldn't just be about the act of sex and it's over and done with. We're the only species, apart from dolphins, that enjoy sex, right? So why not talk about how important that is? Do you know how many women in India do not experience an orgasm?
Absolutely.
They don't even know what it is to have an orgasm. And that's so sad. And conversations must be had. Sexual hygiene, sexual, being careful, using condoms. It's all these things are so important. Why are we not talking about these things? So that is why 30 years ago, 3 decades ago, I decided to initiate that conversation. Whether it was unwanted pregnancies, people weren't ready for them, whether it was to do with HIV, sexually transmitted diseases, and so many other reasons as to why people should use condoms in their life. And being a celebrity, people pay attention to what you say. That's why you pay a celebrity so much money to model for a product, right? You get many prettier faces, but we have the power to hold an audience's attention. So for me, that was very important to have that conversation, to sow the seeds, to put the thoughts out there. Maybe it'll impact 1% of the population. Even that's a lot. The change starts, and every generation takes it one step ahead. So we have a generation, we were all in pardas at one point of time in India, right? Today, if every generation has subsequently been more permissive, so that we uncovered our faces, so that we started wearing jeans, so that we started getting into the workplace, so that we had equal rights. This has all come down generation to generation. Right? So each generation is empowering the next generation by virtue of breaking the norms
that
existed in their family structures to take that forward. And then it's out into society. कि वो कर सकते तो मैं भी कर सकती हूँ.
And then other people will follow you.
Sheep mentality. India में तो वो बहुत है. वो कर सकते तो मैं भी कर सकती.
But Pooja, I'll ask